Hi guys, what's up and welcome back again to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always stopping by. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this short passion twist by myself at home. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. Outside the camera, I have parted my hair. First, I made a part going from ear to ear. With that, I have front and back sections. Then, I kept the back section away and worked with the front first. I divided the front section with the middle part. Now for each of the front sections, I made 4 rows. The bottom row has 2 sections, the second row 3 sections, the third row 3 sections, and the topest row 4 sections. I did the same thing to the other side. I didn't want to overcrowd my head with the passion twist, so at the back I made the parts pretty large, as you can see. I did 15 ponytails at the back, 12 in each of the halves in the front, so in all I did 39 ponytails to make 39 passion twists. For the twist, I'm going to be using this pre-twisted passion twist. So first, unravel the passion twist. I'll be using 2 strands for each of the ponytails. I will also be needing Eco Styling Gel for slicking down my natural hair. Now, to install the hair, take one of the little ponytails one at a time. I'm going to fold the passion twist in half and place the passion twist right up where the rubber band is. Now, with the 2 ends of the passion twist in each side and my real hair at the center, I braid for about an inch. Once I get there, I smooth my natural hair with gel and combine it to one side of the passion twist. At this point, I have 2 strands. Then I twist down the entire length. You don't have to use rubber band if you don't want to. You can braid your natural hair to make the ponytails. I'm gonna let you guys watch as I repeat the process for a couple of times. If you are really enjoying what you are watching, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. So here is the final look. I have 39 strands. You can also add accessories. This style took me about 1.5 hours to make the sections and put them in ponytails, and another 2 hours to do the twist. In all, I spent about 3.5 hours. I like the fact that the hair is lightweight and extremely easy to handle and style in different ways. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Leave any question you have in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. and I'll see you all in my next video.